Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been more than a week since I posted my last video because of exams, Onam, and then I fell sick. I am still sick but makeup se cover kiya hua gaya hai ye sab. Anyways, so this is going to be a storytelling video about the time when I had my first heartbreak. And so the story is basically, from the title you must have known the story. My boyfriend, he fell in love with my best friend. Now let me give you a little background to the story. So I was this cute little dumb kid in 6th standard who did not know अच्छे से Hindi. I did not know English also properly. Most of the English that I learned was actually from Hannah Montana. I love that show, Wizards of the Waverly Place. So these were the things that helped me learn English, and then Hindi के लिए movies were there. So before all that, before I got the tag ki I don't sound like a South Indian and things like that, I used to definitely sound like a South Indian, pura accent ke saath. This is again a story from APS Dinjan. And at that point of time, there was this guy who I used to have a crush on. So he was in my unit, he was in my bus, he was in my school, everything same. And so we used to meet at parties and things like that, and I had a crush on him. Now, even though I was in 6th standard, I had the little bit sense that you are not supposed to tell about your crushes to your friends because they make it so obvious in front of them, it gets awkward. So I did not tell many of my friends, just 1 or 2 friends I had told that, yeah, I like that guy, that too in a game of truth and dare I confessed. So this guy I used to like was already in love with another girl. Now names are very important in this story. So her name, let's assume, was Tanisha. So excuse me, बोलते ही उल्टी आ रही है यार. Anyways, so he was in love with Tanisha, and the funny part was him and his best friend, both of them, they were in love with her. And they did a very stupid thing. They one day in the bus, they literally took a protractor या divider जो भी है from our little camel का वो box. They took it out and they literally carved her name ऐसे हाथ पे, ठीक है. I think उनका love triangle किसी तरह से work out नहीं हो पाया and they kind of broke up. So after that, within a few months, he started giving me hints that he is also kind of into me, but किसी और के सामने नहीं. Like it was always only when the two of us were there, like meeting in some party, swimming pool, badminton, something like that. After a few months of this going on, like 1 month or something, he confessed that he likes me, and he did it in a very weird way. Wait, let me show you that. So let me set the cam. So we were at a party, and that time he told me like this. This was his whole confessing his love to me and things like that. And मैंने ज़बरदस्ती उससे हिंदी गाना भी गवाया था उसने. I guess तेरा होने लगा वो गाया था. It was very funny. His voice is not good 100%. And now I understand it was very stupid because he told me that do not tell anybody that we're dating. He told nobody among his friends also that we're dating. He just kept it very hush hush. Very big red flag, guys. She is not into it. So then what happened, in a few weeks time after me and him we started dating, another girl came to my unit. Now she became my best friend and we used to hang out all the time. Since in the same unit हम सब लोग ही साथ में hang out करते थे. But I was still enjoying those little hidden moments, you know, when I'm meeting him or we are talking and things like that. Still used to enjoy all of that. Very stupid of me. उसके बाद एक दिन, after 3 months of our apparent relationship, he told me that he needs to talk to me about something, and he will tell me अगले दिन party पे. So my parents were hosting a party, I think their anniversary party or something like that. So at that point of time, I was like, what does he want to tell me? I mean, I was so excited, I couldn't sleep the entire night. And even I wanted to tell him that, you know what, I think I love you too. I think I'm falling in love with you. That classic Bollywood drama I wanted to do. So that day, party ka time aaya. And so I had this secret place at my house. मैं ऐसे चढ़ के ऊपर छत पे जाकर के बैठती थी. I would sit on the terrace and look at the stars. So I called him there. We both sneaked out there and we were sitting there, and he was like very cheery. He told, okay, very cheerfully he told me that yeah, I have to tell you something. So when I was like yeah, even I have to tell you something, then there was this war between us. नहीं तू बता, नहीं तू बता, नहीं तू बता. Anyways, he won the war. उसने पहले बोल दिया कि
I don't know how to say this, but I think I am in love with your best friend.
And after saying that, he did not even give me a pause. He was like, yeah, now do you tell me, what did you have to say? What should I tell him at this point of time? I did not say anything. I was like, yeah, I had to keep my dignity. I had to keep the tears from falling down. I was like, yeah, same thing. Even I don't really like you. I mean, we're not compatible for each other. So I think it's better to end it. That is what I wanted to talk to you about. My heart was broken already. And उसके बाद ये बंदा मेरे को बोलता that this is so sad, you did not even actually love me, otherwise you would have been sad about it and things like that.
I was so angry that I have been in love with you for the last 6 months. 6 months मेरा crush रहा है ये, किसी को नहीं बताया. मैंने relationship भी उसके terms में मैंने accept किया. I accepted everything he told me, and then he's telling me I did not even love him.
Then this guy had the guts to tell me, since she's your best friend, why don't you try patching me up with her? Because I have this innate need to be liked by people. If people don't like me, it really bothers me. I'm like, what did I do wrong? I'm a people pleaser to the core max. So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? I'll set you up with my best friend. Even though I'm in love with you, I'm still gonna set you up with my best friend. The stupidity that I was willing to do. And anyways, remember his ex-girlfriend Tanisha was there. So now this best friend's name was basically Tanya. ठीक है. So now let me tell you the tattoo that him and his best friends were carving on their hands, etching on their hands. So उसका आधा तो मिट चुका था, ठीक है. Only TAN was remaining on his hand. So he went to my best friend and he proposed to her, saying that यहाँ पे इसके पीछे shall I add YA? Thank God my best friend, she was not into him. She was into this another guy. His code name was McVitie's Digestive Biscuit. So she and McVitie's Digestive Biscuit were having that thing. So she outrightly rejected him. I don't think our parents will ever realize how hard it is to have a breakup in Indian household. No privacy. I was not supposed to lock my door. Second, I had no one to talk to. He had forbidden me from telling my best friends also. Obviously, my parents, I only wouldn't tell them. Then, third thing, I had to schedule my cries. I would wait for my parents to go to sleep. I would listen if they are snoring. If both of them are snoring, I'll be like, yeah, they've slept. So then I'll go to my room, I'll sit and cry near my window. Even though I'm telling it in a funny way right now, it actually had affected me a lot at that point of time. That it was not just the part that he did not like me. He liked my best friend. That's just so sad. You know, I started getting insecure about, oh my god, what if, because she's, and I was, that time I used to swim a lot and I had this complexion that I am very dark because of the chlorine and tanning and everything. So I was like, oh yeah, maybe he broke up with me because of that. And मैं पूरे washroom में बैठ के मैं हल्दी लगाती थी अपने face पे, हाथ पे, पैर पे, हर जगह. Story is not over, because fast forward 6 years, I was in 12th standard, and my that time best friend, not Tanya, another best friend, she calls me up and she's like, Sanju, there's this guy, he really likes me and blah blah blah. So I was like, oh, I was very happy for her because at that point of time she was in a very toxic relationship and I would have done anything to break them up. So I was very happy for her. Oh yeah, anyways, he must be better than the guy that you were dating right now. So then she was like, yeah, but I think you know that guy. Have you heard about beep beep beep? I was like, yeah. She's like, yeah, he has a crush on me. I was like, यार भगवान ने इसकी किस्मत में God when he wrote his destiny, he literally did not write a name. He wrote Sanjeevani's best friend whoever. कोई भी चलेगा, चलेगा. That guy, I am pretty sure कि वो भी शायद ये वीडियो देख रहा होगा. He told my best friend that he never dated me. क्यों भाई? I was not that bad also. He told my best friend, no, I don't remember dating her. तो क्या मैं क्या अपने दिमाग में पागल हो गई हूँ जो दिमाग में ये सब बना के घूम रही हूँ? Anyway, so that was my story about my first heartbreak and how I used to cry for this guy who did not even acknowledge me in the public that I was his girlfriend. Even after years and years and years, he still doesn't acknowledge me. Anyways, nobody cares about it anymore. I don't have feelings for him. Later, actually, his best friend, later on, his best friend was the first love of my life. So yeah. Bye bye. If you guys like the video, like, share, subscribe. Okay? And I will come up with more videos of more fun stories. Bye bye.